it is a summertime, you don't have a bob, you need this one, because guess what? It was in a middle part and it took me 5 minutes to turn it into a side part with some curls. Very easy. Stick around and watch the video if you want to see how I created this look, and the link is in the description. Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Let's see inside what we got. Okay, I honestly think it's a bob. Okay, you always get a bag. I think this is a bob wig, so this is the bag that you store your wigs in. Always remember to keep your bags. We do have a edge band, HD wig caps, and this is the hair. So it's a 7x5 by knots, and it is a yaki texture, I believe. We're gonna see. Yes, it's a bob, and with this bob, instantly I know I want to do 2 styles. I want to do a side and a middle part. Now this is how it looks. I love the HD closure on it. It feels good. I am a big fan of the yaki texture here. You guys should try it. It's amazing. Now this is how it looks. You have the tapes if you want to wear it. It's very self-explanatory. Inside have the grips. I love the bands from ear to ear. This helps with security of the wig, and the band is thin. It's adjustable as well, and I really like that there's a comb, the no slip strap, so this is gonna stuck to your head, and the comb, and then the most important, the drawstring at the back. You know, you pull this down to your size, and then there's another piece that you tuck under, and then you just fold it, and voila, you're not gonna see anything. And now remember, the drawstring, with the option of the drawstring, it fits any head size. So no matter how small your head is, medium, large, it's gonna fit. So we are gonna get into installation. This is the quality of the hair. See that? Come on. All right guys, let's install this wig. I'm excited. So obviously I did my makeup because I want everything to look put together. You see how snatched that face is? Okay, so this is it. We are gonna test the wig to see how it looks on the head first, because I like the safe test. Okay, I'm a person like, okay, we got the safe test. Now this is without doing anything, straight out the package, and look at that lace. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Now I love the length of this. For me, my bobs need to be a 10-inch, okay, and this is a 10-inch. I like that, and I think they layered the front. So with that being said, we are going to do a side part as well. Now because it's a 7x5, it's all the way right here, and the other side is all the way there. So we're gonna get this on, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how simple it is to style it. Remember, it's a glueless wig. You can do it too. And if you watch until the end of the video, I do have a coupon code, so stick around because you need a bob. It's the summertime. It is hot, okay? We need something that's gonna change up our look. It's spring. Let's blossom in a short wig, okay? And Beauty Forever have this one for you. So I did nothing to the hair as yet. And if you guys look, even if we comb it out, you see it have that layer right there. Like, say you're running late, your wig's supposed to come in time, and as soon as you're about to get out the door, you find it. You can still put this on. It's real easy without doing anything to it. Now we're gonna put this on, and then I'll be back to styling the wig. Feels so good. It's lightweight. You don't have to cut anything. It is perfect just by the length. So this is what I did to the wig. This is how I like to do my wig, so it have that natural look. I'm just gonna add some wax stick to it, use the hot comb, and then we're gonna flat iron this, and I'm gonna create another style, a side wig. So I'm super excited for that. But okay y'all, so this is how the bob is looking. Real classy. I like it. You see that? Oh, it's gonna be so nice on you. But I am going to do the flip over method, and we're gonna create a side part with this. So soak this in, soak the middle part in, because now we're gonna do a side part. But what do you think? Like this? And tell me your preference. So this is the middle. Okay, sideways. Let's flip it side. Where did I put the comb? All right, so do I want it on this side? I know you guys be like, oh, you're gonna mess up the part. Yeah, the way how the hair is, the wig is, you can create the part over. It's perfectly fine. So I don't know if I want to do a parting or I should leave it as is, but let's see. I might do the part. You see, because it's a 7x5, and yeah, you might be saying it's not a frontal, but you see how deep you can go still. I think this is perfect. I think I want to add a part in mine. So we're gonna do a parting, and then we're gonna flip it over. So just keep on watching. This part is very easy. It depends on where you want your part, and I think I want mine is perfect right here. Now what I'm definitely gonna do to brighten the part is to use a concealer. I'm definitely gonna use a concealer for that. But in the meantime, before I move my hand, let me just bring this down so it's easier. I like to use a wax stick, and you guys know I have my own wax stick, and it's the perfect wax stick on my website. It's not greasy. So I'm just gonna melt this down so it doesn't get in the way. You see how easy that is without even adding the iron to it? So we're gonna create the parting, and then we're gonna add some curls. This is very, very easy, which means once you purchase this wig, you can either wear it in a middle part or side part. Now the side part is giving business Crissy, you know, but let's see. All right, so for now I think we're good here. Use your hot comb and you fix it to your liking. I think right here it needs to mold a little bit more. And to be honest, I like when my hair is all the way up. You see that? But what's gonna change it is, let's add some makeup. I'm using a concealer, and we're just gonna define that parting so it's way brighter. If you want, you can go in and pluck. I am not doing none of that because I want it to, you see how defined the parting is, but not just that, but it opens up and look like an actual part. This wig is everything. Even making the part, I don't have to recurl this, but I want the sides to have a flip look so it looks different. This is so nice. That's how simple it is to create a hair like this. So we're gonna go in. So this is how the parting looks. For everything to fall in, always after you add the makeup, go in again, and you should be fine. So let's just add the curls. I don't know if I want it flip or, oh, so nice. You cannot tell me anything a yucky texture here can't do. Whether it's a bob, because look at this side part. Yeah, it's given. And it was really simple. All I did was just flip the front. So Beauty Forever, where did you get this wig? Who made this one? Because it was made for me, but I want to know who put love into it. Anyway, remember it's a 7x5. You cannot tell because clearly it looks like a frontal. Now, we all know frontals are a bit more expensive, but you get the same look, okay? Now, this is it. Now, this is Classy Crissy. So, yeah, I really like it. It was really easy to create, and you guys are seeing how natural that looks. Now, talk to me nice because I'm ready to go in the office, okay? And y'all better not be late for work because I'm not playing with no one with this new hairstyle today, okay? Anyway, this is it, y'all. I made the curls. You can do this too. You can achieve the same look. It was very easy. You guys saw when I changed the parting how easy it was and how beautiful it looked, because the hair is very practical. It's amazing, and I'm pretty sure it's affordable as well. But for you guys to know that, check my description bar, because I do have the link right there, and you can get the same wig with a discount. Okay, now it's summertime. Don't forget to click the link. You need the discount. They have sale going on. Grab this one, because yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video, and stick around because I'm feeling myself. Bye.